government are at war over oxygen cylinders, and this war is escalating with each passing day. The BJP has now demanded a criminal case be registered against the Delhi government for its alleged failure in managing the oxygen crisis despite alerts and guidelines from the centre. Delhi BJP chief Adesh Gupta also accused Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal of being negligent in handling the situation in the national capital. The BJP has claimed that the Modi government had allocated funds from PM CARES fund to the Delhi government to set up 8 oxygen plants and also to arrange for tankers, but steps were not taken on ground. The BJP has also targeted Delhi Minister and Aam Aadmi Party MLA from Balli Maran, Imran Hussain, after he was summoned by the Delhi High Court on charges of allegedly hoarding essentials including oxygen cylinders. BJP's IT cell chief Amit Malviya hit out at the Arvind Kejriwal government and tweeted a video of former Congress Party MP Sandeep Dikshit, where Sandeep Dikshit is seeking murder charges against the Delhi Chief Minister and the government.
हम भी इंसान हैं, तकलीफ होती है, मगर ऑक्सीजन को लेकर राजनीति। भारत सरकार महाराष्ट्र को ऑक्सीजन दे सकती है, बाकी राज्यों को ऑक्सीजन दे सकती है। आपको क्यों ऐसा लगता है कि दिल्ली के प्रति भारत सरकार का रवैया अलग होता है? ये स्टेप मदरली ट्रीटमेंट करती है क्या ऐसा भारत सरकार? बिल्कुल नहीं। दिल्ली में केजरीवाल जी राजनीति करते हैं।
And India Today's Kumar Kunal now joins me for more on the story. So, Kunal, you have the Congress party on one side and the BJP on the other, both targeting the Arvind Kejriwal government on two aspects. One, alleged mismanagement, saying funds were allocated from PM CARES to set up oxygen plants. That wasn't done. And the Congress party saying that under Sheila Dikshit, many hospitals were made in Delhi. Under Arvind Kejriwal, how many hospitals have been made?
Yes, and as the cases are dropping, but the politics is also being played out on several issues, not just on the oxygen issue, but even on the vaccination front. Today, what happened that Sambit Patra has addressed a press conference, and he categorically made it clear that central government is helping Delhi government in whatever way possible, but it is the Delhi government which is doing politics over oxygen and now on vaccination also. He put some figures in his press conference, like he claimed that Arvind Kejriwal earlier told that 1.34 crore vaccination doses have been ordered by Delhi government, but till now only 5.30 lakh vaccination doses have been ordered. So there are certain serious charges by not just BJP, even Congress is making. Sandeep Dikshit, as you heard, that Sandeep Dikshit is telling that several of the hospitals which were built during the Congress regime, they are non-functional till now. For example, there was a 900-bedded Dwarka hospital which was lying almost vacant even in the pandemic-like situation, and now Delhi government is going to put 250 beds into for the patients. So all these questions are being raised, and now Arvind Kejriwal government is under Arvind Kejriwal government is being put under serious allegations by both the parties, BJP as well as Congress.
Kumar Kunal, for the moment, many thanks. The Arvind Kejriwal government, on the other hand, is targeting the centre on not providing adequate vaccines for the vaccination drive. I mean, that's the only way to save people from coronavirus. The drive, however, faces multiple challenges. Now, Delhi's Deputy Chief Minister Manish Sisodia has targeted the centre for not providing adequate vaccines to the state.
Pandemic politics speaks. With the rise in cases, the blame game over the pandemic is gaining momentum as well, as the centre faces a dual attack from the West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee and Delhi CM Arvind Kejriwal. The Delhi CM has said that the state does not have enough doses to inoculate all its citizens under the universal vaccination drive, citing that his government wants to administer doses to all the people above 18 years of age over the next 3 months. while Deputy CM Manish Sisodia attacked the centre for exporting the jabs instead of vaccinating our citizens first.
मार्च से लेके और अब तक पूरे देश में, हमारे देश में 1 लाख मृत्यु हो चुकी है। 1 लाख लोग कोरोना का शिकार हो चुके हैं और हम 6.5 करोड़ अपने देश की बनाई हुई वैक्सीन जो इन लोगों को लग सकती थी, इनमें से कई लोगों की जान बच सकती थी, हम इस वैक्सीन को विदेशों में भेज रहे हैं। 93 देशों को हम एक्सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं। किस लिए? सिर्फ इसलिए कि केंद्र सरकार की इमेज बन सके।
Targeting centre, Didi also wrote a letter to PM Modi, seeking duty rebate on medical gear and COVID drugs. The Union Finance Minister was quick to react with a series of tweets. Nirmala Sitharaman said that there is no duty imposed on COVID drugs and medical equipment, and the removal of GST would only harm consumers in the long run since they have to bear the burden of high cost. While the blame game rages, are we the public bearing the brunt of it? Bureau Report, India Today.
Key accused in the black marketing of